In the 1950s, the NASA leadership was in the midst of a debate. They were trying to decide what name was best to call the crew of their spacecraft. The word astronaut comes from the Greek words astron and nautos, which means sailor among the stars. Whereas cosmonaut with the word cosmos suggests exploration not of the stars but of space. As it made more sense, the Soviet Union called Yuri Gagarin, the man who won the space race, a cosmonaut. However, NASA to this day prefers astronaut. Whatever the title, the challenges they face are the same. Could you handle them? Let's find out in this video of Collision TV. Do you know what it takes to become an astronaut? Astronauts are trained around the world in many different locations. These include United States, Europe, Russia and Asia. Astronauts perform many tasks as they orbit Earth. The space station is designed to be a permanent orbiting research facility. Its major purpose is to perform world-class science and research that only a microgravity environment can provide. The station crew spends their day working on science experiments that require their input, as well as monitoring those that are controlled from the ground. They also take part in medical experiments to determine how well their bodies are adjusting to living in microgravity for long periods of time. Working on space station also means ensuring the maintenance and health of the orbiting platform. Crew members are constantly checking support systems and cleaning filters, updating computer equipment, doing many of the things homeowners must do to ensure their largest investment stays in good shape. Similarly, the Mission Control Center constantly monitors the space station and sends messages each day through voice or email, with new instructions or plans to assist the crew members in their daily routines. Being an astronaut is both exciting and incredibly demanding. It requires exceptional commitment and extensive travel, often away from family. If the Milky Way, planets, and space travel doesn't excite you, then this might not be the perfect job for you. Being an astronaut means that you get to take part in adventures that most people will never experience. Imagine sitting on the launch pad in the Orion spacecraft atop a rocket that's getting ready to launch. You will travel further into space than any other humans have been and help push the boundaries of technology in the proving ground of deep space lunar orbits, leading the way for future missions to Mars. When you are an astronaut, you have to work and live with your crewmates for extended periods of time. It's important to the mission and your safety that everyone can collaborate and work together. When many of your personal items have to fit in a pouch of size of a soda can, packing for space can be tricky. Spending time in space is like living in a phone booth with 6 other people. Given the constraints, NASA imposes strict limitations on what leaves the planet. Astronauts can bring 20 small personal items packed into a zipper pouch about the size of soda can. They are also allowed to bring clothing items that fit into an assigned drawer, as well as approved items they can plan to use in educational video dispatches. Not only do astronauts get to travel to space, but they also get to conduct really cool research in microgravity. Did you know that right now they are growing zinnia flowers on the International Space Station? This research could help with our future deep space exploration and could teach us a few things about growing plants on Earth. The ISS gives the chance to do scientific experiments that cannot be done on Earth, as the station offers an environment of microgravity. For any given applicant, the odds of being selected as an astronaut are minute, regardless of how qualified he or she may be. Between 4,000 and 8,000 people enter each application round, and only 8 to 35 are selected. Currently, NASA takes new trainees every 4 to 5 years, and this year, NASA waded through more than 6,000 applications, eventually whittling that pool to just 8 people. One of the coolest things about being an astronaut is that you get to go to space. At the very least, you will travel to an International Space Station, which is 250 miles above Earth, or you could be one of the first astronauts to travel to a distant asteroid or even Mars. Lastly, astronauts must be willing to travel long distances, both on Earth and in space, to spend long periods away from home, as astronaut training takes place in a number of countries and they may participate in long duration missions.